Hello YouTube. It is Saturday, May 1st, and we're barbecuing today. As you can see, the smoker is safely under the covered porch. However, when you do not put the smoker in the yard, the porch becomes full of smoke. So the most awesome latest invention of mine is the extended smoker chimney. What we have is a dryer extension duct attached to the main smoker chimney, brought out to the edge of the porch, attached with pipe strap and another plumbing fitting, which will now safely blow the smoke out into the yard, and we can barbecue and smoke lots of good stuff in all weather conditions. Stay tuned for part 2, and we will show you the barbecuing in action.